Welcome back to another video in our series. Go ahead and hit like, then subscribe. It's quicker than waiting for your turn at any German government office. Your support means a lot. Now, let's get started. Question number 81. Why are you not allowed to overtake now? Because of the very poor condition of the left side road surface. False. This condition alone doesn't prohibit overtaking. Because the cyclist could turn off to the left. True. Anticipate unpredictable cyclist movements. Because I am not able to see possible oncoming traffic in good enough time. True. Limited visibility hinders safe overtaking. Question number 82. When are you in danger when overtaking? The vehicle being overtaken reduces its speed considerably. False. Slower vehicles reduce overtaking risk. The vehicle being overtaken suddenly accelerates. True. Acceleration extends the overtaking distance. The vehicle being overtaken swerves out to overtake. True. Swerving increases collision risk. Question number 83. In which cases must you abandon overtaking? When the road user being overtaken suddenly accelerates. True. Acceleration complicates safe overtaking. When there is danger from unexpected oncoming traffic. True. Oncoming traffic requires halting the maneuver. When the road user being overtaken considerably reduces his speed. False. Slower speeds generally facilitate overtaking. Question number 84. When is overtaking forbidden? If you are unable to drive considerably faster than the road user being overtaken. True. Speed differential is necessary for safe overtaking. If you do not have a clear view of the road ahead. True. Clear visibility is essential for overtaking. If the traffic situation is not clear. True. Uncertain traffic situations prohibit safe overtaking. Question number 85. Why can it be dangerous to overtake even on clearly visible straight roads? Because the overtaking distance is longer than first thought. True. Misjudging distance increases collision risk. Because oncoming traffic is traveling slower than first thought. False. Slower oncoming traffic reduces overtaking risk. Because oncoming traffic is traveling faster than first thought. True. Fast oncoming vehicles require careful judgment. Question number 86. What should you do? I abort the overtaking maneuver. True. Aborting the maneuver is the safest option when conditions are unclear or unsafe. It's crucial to prioritize safety over the urge to overtake. I perform the overtaking maneuver quickly. False. Quick overtaking can be risky, especially if not all factors like speed, distance, and safety are adequately considered. I perform the overtaking maneuver cautiously. False. Even cautious overtaking should be avoided if it poses any risk to traffic safety. Question number 87. What should you anticipate if you want to overtake? With the unsafe riding manner of the cyclist. True. Always anticipate unpredictable movements from cyclists, especially in adverse conditions. This foresight helps in making safer overtaking decisions. With an extended stopping distance. True. Snow-covered roads lead to longer braking distances. Consider this factor to ensure safe overtaking and stopping. With the risk of skidding. True. The risk of skidding increases in winter conditions, necessitating extra caution during overtaking maneuvers. Question number 88. You want to overtake cyclists on a narrow road. The width of the road means that the maximum possible space between them and the car is 50 cm. What should you do? I refrain from overtaking. True. Overtaking with such a small gap is unsafe. It's important to maintain a safe lateral distance to ensure the safety of both cyclists and yourself. I give a short warning signal before overtaking. False. A warning signal does not compensate for the lack of safe space. The priority should be on safety rather than signaling intent. I overtake at a moderate speed. False. Overtaking in such conditions is risky regardless of speed. The safe choice is to wait until there's enough space. Question number 89. What is the right course of action? Before drawing level with the truck. False. Overtaking at this point might obstruct your view and increase the risk of collision. Between truck and bend. False. Overtaking in this area can be dangerous due to limited visibility and the proximity to the bend. After the bend. True. It's safer to overtake after the bend where visibility and road conditions are clearer, reducing the risk of accidents. Question number 90. In which situation is overtaking prohibited? Cannot complete the overtaking maneuver before the start of a no overtaking section. True. Overtaking is not allowed if it cannot be completed safely before restricted areas. Cannot complete the overtaking maneuver before a hill crest. True. Overtaking is dangerous in areas where visibility is limited, such as before hill crests. Am unable to maintain the necessary space to the side. True. Adequate lateral space is crucial for safe overtaking. Lack of it can lead to accidents. Question number 91. You want to overtake. What should you be prepared for now? The cyclist in the distance pulls out to the left. True. Anticipate sudden movements from cyclists, especially at a distance. The blue car overtakes me. False. The blue car's actions should not impede your overtaking if done safely. The cyclist directly in front of me stops on the roadway. True. Always be ready for unexpected stops from cyclists, especially in busy areas. Question number 92. Why can it be dangerous to overtake on an unobscured straight road? Estimate the distance away of an oncoming vehicle as being too great. True. Misjudging distances can lead to unsafe overtaking. Estimate the speed of an oncoming vehicle as being too low. True. Underestimating the speed of oncoming traffic can result in dangerous situations. Estimate my overtaking distance to be shorter than it is. True. Overestimating your own speed or underestimating distance can cause accidents. Question number 93. What is the right course of action now? I move to the right, onto the parking strip. False. Moving onto the parking strip may create additional hazards. I maintain my current speed. False. Maintaining speed may not be safe in this situation. I reduce my speed. True. Reducing speed can help manage unpredictable traffic situations safely. Question number 94. What must you be prepared for when a truck in front of you wishes to turn right into a narrow street? Swing out to the left before turning. True. Trucks often need more space to maneuver. Move well over to the right. False. This might not be necessary for the truck's maneuver. Reduce speed drastically. True. Trucks typically slow down significantly to make such turns. Question number 95. What do you have to particularly remember at crossroads and junctions in a built-up area? A better developed road always has priority. False. Road development does not always indicate priority. The rule, right before left, applies without exception at all crossroads and junctions. False. This rule has exceptions depending on signage and situation. Intersecting roads may have priority even though they are narrow and less well developed. True. Priority is not determined by road size or quality. Question number 96. Why must you be particularly careful here? Because there is an increased danger of skidding when braking. True. The combination of moisture and leaves can make the road slippery, increasing skidding risk. Because a vehicle could come from the right. True. Reduced visibility due to leaves may hide vehicles, so be extra cautious. Because the car coming from the left has priority. False. Priority is not determined solely by the direction of vehicles. Question number 97. You are approaching a school. Children are leaving the school grounds. What must you reckon with? Children always conduct themselves properly on the road. False. Children can be unpredictable and may not always follow traffic rules. Children rush onto the road without thinking. True. Be prepared for children to enter the road suddenly. Children ride their bicycles onto the road without paying attention. True. Young cyclists might not be aware of traffic dangers. Question number 98. What do hazard warning lights draw your attention to? To school buses with children boarding or alighting. True. Hazard lights are used to signal stopping or potential dangers. To a traffic congestion. True. They're used to warn of traffic jams or slow-moving traffic ahead. To vehicles which have broken down. True. Hazard lights indicate vehicles that are stopped or experiencing issues. Question number 99. A big combine harvester in front of you wishes to turn right. What is correct? Will slow down drastically before turning. True. Large vehicles often need to slow significantly before turning. Cannot swing out due to rear wheel steering. False. The steering mechanism doesn't prevent swinging out. Will swing far out to the left when turning. True. Due to its size, the combine harvester may need to swing wide. Question number 100. You are driving behind a farm vehicle with a trailer carrying a high load. What must you reckon with? Parts of the load can fall off, especially when braking or turning. True. Be cautious of potential falling debris. The indicators may be concealed, making it difficult to see when the vehicle wishes to turn off. True. Visibility of signals might be obstructed. The braking distance of the combination of vehicles is particularly short because of its load. False. Heavy loads often increase braking distances.